Welcome to our home and kitchen gadget review show. Today, we've brought you 5 amazing and practical products that will make your kitchen tasks easier, more beautiful, and stylish. First up, we have the Enchante Teapot, a perfect blend of modern design and durable glass material, making every tea moment more colorful and enjoyable. Next is the Hom Noble Pickle Jar, the perfect solution for pickles or preserved foods with a handy design that ensures ease of use and long-lasting freshness. Our third product is the Ucopia dishwasher pod, small but mighty, helping you keep your dishwasher experience more organized and hassle-free. Fourth on the list is the NutriBullet Every Grain Cooker. Cook rice, lentils, quinoa, or oats in one machine, all perfectly timed and flawlessly done. And finally, we have the Halogen Bamboo Fruit Basket, a beautiful basket made from natural bamboo, perfect not just for arranging fruits, but also for enhancing the beauty of your dining table. All product links are in the description below. Don't forget to check them out. And to discover more amazing gadgets, make sure to subscribe to our channel now. Number 1. Tired of messy tea brewing? Discover effortless perfection. Imagine hosting friends. Serve flawless tea in seconds. Meet the Enchante Teapot, one-touch filter separation magic. Just press, filter, and pour. No mess, no fuss. Magnetic lid tilts 90 degrees. Secure closure, easy cleaning. Premium borosilicate glass resists heat, safe for hot or cold. Elegant wood grain handle, comfortable grip, sophisticated look. Large 800 ml capacity, perfect for 2 to 4 people. Eagle's beak spout, precise pouring, zero side leakage. Disassembles easily, cleanup is quick and simple. Lightweight design, carry and serve anywhere, anytime. Versatile, loose leaf, blooming, bagged teas or infusions. Transform your tea ritual, make every cup an experience. Perfect gift for tea lovers, home entertainers, or dad. Upgrade your tea game. Choose Enchante Teapot today. Click now and brew magic with every pour. Number 2. Tired of messy hands when grabbing pickles? Introducing the Hom Noble Pickle and Olive Hourglass Jar. Perfect for home cooks and kitchen gadget lovers. Just flip. Pickles separate from brine instantly. No more sticky fingers or fishing for food. Airtight, leak-proof lid keeps everything fresh and secure. Crystal clear borosilicate glass for ultimate visibility. Durable, BPA-free materials, safe and long-lasting. Wide mouth design fits even large fruits and veggies. Flexible silicone strainer, easy to remove and clean. Non-skid silicone base keeps your jar stable anywhere. Dishwasher and refrigerator safe for total convenience. Handles extreme temperatures from 20 degrees to 560 degrees effortlessly. Large capacity, 700 ml top, 310 ml bottom. Store more, spill less. Upgrade your kitchen and enjoy mess-free pickling today. Click now to get your Hom Noble Hourglass Jar. Number 3. Tired of digging for dishwasher pods every night? Meet the Ucopia DoorDash TM dishwasher pod holder. Imagine, no more bulky boxes crowding your cabinet. Just flip down the bin and grab a pod instantly. Holds 50+ pods, always at your fingertips. Top tray stores sponges, brushes, or rinse aid. Removable tray makes cleaning and refilling effortless. Sturdy steel hook fits standard cabinet doors securely. Soft non-slip padding protects against scratches. No tools or installation. Hang and start organizing. Wide opening for easy loading and spill cleanup. Speckled white, BPA-free, recycled plastic. Looks great anywhere. Brushed nickel steel resists fingerprints and adds durability. Perfect for busy families, apartment dwellers, home organizers. Upgrade your kitchen routine. Make dishwashing a breeze. Get your DoorDash TM now and transform your space. Number 4. Tired of inconsistent grains at dinner time? Meet the NutriBullet Every Grain Cooker, your kitchen upgrade. Imagine prepping healthy meals, even on busy weeknights. Just add rice, oats, quinoa, or grains. Press a preset. Every Grain smart programs guarantee perfect results every time. Brown rice, white rice, oats, quinoa, grains, each with dedicated settings. Simultaneously steam veggies or fish with the included basket. Delay. Start lets you set cooking time to fit your schedule. Keep warm holds your meal until you're ready to serve. Spacious 10-cup pot fits up to 5 scoops, great for families. Non-stick, PFOA-free pot ensures easy cleanup and healthy cooking. All accessories are durable, dishwasher safe for effortless care. Built tough for everyday use. Engineered for North American standard. Transform mealtime, save time, eat better, stress less. Ready for perfectly cooked grains? Get your Every Grain Cooker today. Check the user guide for tips and recipes. Start your upgrade now. Number 5. Struggling with cluttered kitchen counters? Meet the GMTSL 3-tier bamboo fruit basket. Perfect for kitchens, dining tables, or bedrooms. Maximize storage. Large capacity holds fruits, snacks, bread. Each tier is spacious and can be used separately. 2 banana hooks keep your bananas fresh and accessible. Crafted from high-quality bamboo for durability and style. Stable design with 4 silicone non-slip pads underneath. Protects countertops from scratches and keeps everything secure. Effortless assembly. Just follow the included instructions. Easy to clean, wipe with a damp cloth, and air dry. Versatile organizer for fruits, veggies, snacks, and more. Eco-friendly bamboo suits every home aesthetic. Transform your space, tidy, organized, and visually appealing. Upgrade your kitchen experience today. Get your GMTSL fruit basket now, organized with style.